Firstly, my name is Jolie. I'm from Philinter Education Center, and it's from Cebu, Philippines. And currently I'm staying in Ho Chi Minh as a representative for Philinter in Vietnam market. Yes. The Philippines is famous for the one-on-one classes, so therefore it's very good environment for Vietnamese students to go there to study English with Filipino teachers, and so they can improve their English in a short period of time, and as well as they can take other courses like IELTS, business course, IPS meaning intensive power speaking to improve their English for studying in other countries or back to Vietnam for their business. There are numerous things I like, but something come up to my mind first. That would be a very clear and professional system, the website, so I can know exactly my client and about the schedule. So therefore, I can have well preparation in advance. I know my client, so I can have some idea to discuss in the meeting. Though 15 minutes is not so long, in fact, it's short, but I have to say that's very a productive time that I could have some communication with my clients.
Perfect. Thank you very much for joining and for the interview.
My pleasure.